control.
What do you mean?
They just did launch control here.
I saw it stop.
Yeah. Look, whoa, I just did launch control.
That is not my friend. What are you saying? What car is it?
That's like a C63. They just did launch control and went.
Can't multitask.
It's gone. I don't know where it went. Okay. Oh, there it is. Wait, why did he crash? Oh. Oh, he's crashed.
Has he?
Holy shit.
What happened? Go round the roundabout, go round the roundabout, go round the fucking roundabout.
Oh my god, that was crazy.
Go round the fucking roundabout, I want to see.
Wait, I don't know if he's going to come back this way.
Josh, go round the roundabout.
Holy shit. He literally just crashed it.
What do you mean? The police? Go round the roundabout, go.
He's going to come back this way.
No, he's not. Is he? Holy fuck, what happened?
Oh my god, maybe the police are after it.
Oh god, was he white or Asian?
He was like white. Look, see, look here where he crashed.
Where? Holy shit. My heart's going. Oh god. What happened?
Look, see, he just span out down here. Look, see here where he span.
No, what did
Here's
he do?
the skid marks.
I
Look,
didn't see it. What
there's
did
the
he
skid
do?
marks.
My heart's going.
Oh my god, this is going to be good. Don't need a wheel anymore.